Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to pop the hood on your Lincoln MKC. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the kick panel. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You'll hear a distinct click, and the hood will slightly unlatch, lifting just a small amount from the front of the vehicle. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism. Now move to the front of your MKC. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this opening, directly above the grille. You'll need to feel around for the secondary safety latch. It's usually located near the center, or slightly to one side, and is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll typically need to push it either to the left or to the right. This action will fully release the hood from its locked position. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood completely open. Be gentle as you raise it, ensuring a smooth and controlled motion to avoid any sudden movements. Finally, to keep the hood securely open while you work, locate the prop rod. This rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood itself. Swing the prop rod out and insert its end into the designated slot, which is typically found on the engine bay frame. Make sure the rod is firmly seated and the hood is stable before proceeding with any maintenance or checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.